be dumb enough to rob Fisk's estate sale?
Hey guys, and welcome back. I'm back to playing Spider-Man. On the PS4, we are about to... Honestly, I don't know what we're about to do. It's been a while since I've played, and I haven't edited episode 2 yet, so...
Peter, good news. I think I smoothed things over with the Grant Committee. If Lance Corporal Texidor's fitting tomorrow goes well, we should be okay.
That's fantastic, Doc. We're back on track.
Provisionally, as long as our little incident escaped the mayor's attention. You'll be at the fitting tomorrow?
Definitely. It'll go great. We're gonna change the world, Doc.
I'll settle for not starting any more fires. See you tomorrow, Peter. Here's to a successful day.
Oh man, New York looks beautiful at night. Guys, if you ever wanted to feel like Spider-Man, play this game. It'll make you feel like Spider-Man.
Yuri said quietly.
We've got a 1010 possible narcotics sale. Officers needed in the area of Columbia.
I am losing patience. Where is the file?
There's someone else here. They must have taken it.
Those masks. Who are these guys?
There's no one here but us. We will find the file, or you will die.
This is bad. They'll kill her if I alert them. Need to pick them off silently. Yuri, the silent alarm was legit. Masked gunmen and a single hostage. Looks like a heist in progress.
Copy that. Sending units your way. Keep the situation from getting worse in the meantime.
Can do. Gotta do this quietly.
So,
Don't want to
this...
alert the others.
Yeah, you gotta be quiet on these. You gotta be stealthy. So hold L2, and this will let you aim. Aim at the point on the floor? Wait, what do they want? Oh, they want me to do something here. Oh yeah, so you can cause a distraction. Look what they're teaching you. Let's see, but if there's no one else in this room, you can get close to these guys and do the perch takedown. And they're gone.
They always look so cozy whipped up like that.
So now we're gonna go through here. Looks like maybe we'll just spider our way over here.
Should web him from above. Whoa, careful. You stay quiet now.
Got him.
Someone's coming. They'll see me down here.
We'll just keep going through the vents.
Someone else is here. I swear. She must have the file.
If they're here, where are they?
I don't know. I just don't know.
Move it, Pete. Bad guys are getting ready to be
So
bad.
we either drop down there. Well, I think we can only drop down here. That's fine. So you can, it'll let you know if you can take them down safely or if you need to do more to get it safe. So yeah, they want me to, let's see, you can do that. What's going on? Web that. now I can take this guy out because the other guy's distracted by the box.
Don't
Let's
just rip it
do
off.
that to this guy. Checkmate.
Hey, what is that?
Alright, so... Ooh, a camera.
This totally belongs to...
Don't move.
Buddy, if I had a nickel for every don't move...
Hey, Pete.
MJ? What are you doing here?
Same as you. Working. At least, it was.
Oh, I think this is yours.
Yeah, thanks.
So Robbie's got you covering a break-in for the Bugle?
Well, Robbie doesn't technically know I'm here. And it wasn't a break-in until a few minutes ago.
Uh-huh.
Let me explain.
15 minutes earlier.
Excuse me.
Hi, Mary Jane Watson. I'm covering the Fisk estate sale.
Hello. Craig said we'd do this tomorrow.
I like to get a jump on things.
Well, I don't. You'll have to come back tomorrow.
Right. Okay. I'm sorry. Hey, Craig? No, sorry, it looks like we're gonna have to run something else on the cover. I don't know, maybe the expressionist piece?
You know what? I think I can make today work.
Are you sure?
You're here. No moment like the present.
Thank you. Craig? Never mind. We're good.
Let's get started. Look around and familiarize yourself with the items. I'll be waiting by the Baku statue when you're ready to begin.
Can do.
So we get to play as Mary Jane. We get to explore this museum. It's actually pretty cool.
Fisk cut Peter open like a pork sausage with this the first time they fought. Pete got away, collapsed in my yard half dead, and I had to steal my dad's car to drive him to the ER. The first of many Nurse
Jeez.
MJ moments. Too many.
Let me know when you're ready to
I guess
begin.
that's what we're here for.
Sounds good.
Guess not.
Brought hidden crimes to
I
light.
guess this is what we're here
We
for.
got an old school investigative journalist over here. I like her.
Did you know him well before his arrest?
In a professional context, I handled many of his sales. Let's move on, please.
Got your photo. Oh, we're following you? Okay. You weren't moving, so I didn't do anything, you know?
Now
Oh,
this
jeez.
exquisite piece exemplifies the traditional Tarashikomi puddled ink effect.
The two Neo are so imposing. I can see why Fisk liked this piece. Definitely his style.
He loved the duality. Destruction screams, but creation toils in silence.
Was there ever anything irregular in any of the sales you handled for him?
No. No, of course not. Not that I was aware of.
Yeah, of course. Not aware of it. Oh, sorry, am I,
Notice the intricate gold
Here we
inlay
go.
on this ceremonial tea set.
It's just... A friend in the DA's office mentioned that Fisk used art sales to launder stolen goods.
I'm sure I wouldn't know anything about that.
Oh, I know. I was just wondering, now that he's arrested, if you had ever noticed anything strange.
You know what? I'm actually running short of time. Why don't we grab the cover photo while we can?
When I told my DA friend I was doing a piece on you, he mentioned your name was familiar.
Just the photo, please. Stand right there.
Is this... What am I doing? Am I waiting for you? What's going on?
Are you sure there's nothing you'd like to say, maybe off the record, regarding Fisk's activities?
I don't think your readers would have any interest in... Damn it. Wait here, please.
Please stop swearing. It's throwing off my picture taking.
Wait, I recognize that statue. Gotta get a photo. Got it.
Craig, I'll call you back. My dear, I think it's time for you to go.
Oh, could I use the restroom real quick?
Fine. Follow me.
Thank you. This is a really lovely space.
It is. And this will be the last time you see it. The ladies is around the corner. Be quick.
Of course. Be right back.
Oddly enough, a lot of this game is taking pictures. You can do it with Spider-Man and...
Hello, Craig. Funny you should
do it
call.
with her, of course.
Because the reporter you sent is clearly not working the puff piece we agreed upon. No, she's here now.
I've got to get into that back room. If that statue is what I think it is, this just turned into a huge story.
What do you mean he had to reschedule? If she's not your reporter, who is she, Craig?
Quiet.
Who is in my auction house? Oh my god. No, I do
Turn
not trust
around.
you
I
to
don't
fix
want you
this.
to see me.
Well, the first thing I'm going to do is have Miss Investigative Journalist arrested.
Will
And
you
the
not see
second
me?
thing I'm going to do is collect your head, Craig.
Dang, she's pissed.
It is most
Good.
definitely a threat. Uh-huh. Sure, Craig. Right.
Your phone call is taking a long time.
I don't believe you. Uh-huh. Sure, Craig.
Pete told me
Cool
about
man.
this. Fisk used it to hide evidence. Why didn't the cops take it? I know this statue opens. But how?
Oh yeah, we have to do like some...
I wonder if there are
Proper
any clues
puzzle
in
solving.
here. That's the Neo behind them. But it looks different.
Yeah, how does it look different here? It doesn't have the snake on it. Or no, it does. The arms are in different positions. What is this?
He's holding something.
It's got like a stick. And his arm's up. His left arm is up. I kind of remember a little bit. I think we have to grab... Can we grab this? I want it. No, okay. Do we need to look at this again?
She certainly is cozy with Fisk.
Yikes. Hello? What do I do?
Something's in one of his hands. What is that?
Well, I think it's this. So can I please get it? Nope.
Statue can move. Most common pose is latent power. Mouth closed, left arm down, right palm facing forward.
Wait, that's not right.
Maybe these pieces move.
Mouth closed.
Nice.
Oh.
So close. But a piece is missing.
Oh yeah, we gotta get his little staff now.
I've seen these before.
Yep, I'll take it. Here you go, sir.
That's not right.
One thing. Yeah, let's move his arm back up. Or his hand down. Hey, no, you can keep it. Unless you insist. Maybe it's the other thing. That thing looks more pointy. Let's go with this one.
That's it.
There we go.
Norman Osborn. What is this? Devil's breath. What is devil's... What the...
Excuse me, sir. You can't be...
Not good.
Where's the statue?
In there.
把文件找出来。
I was on my way to the exit when I saw you.
You're lucky to be alive.
This is the guy I saved 5 minutes ago. Listen, whoever these masked guys are, they're after this file. But I'll never get it out of here while the place is swarming with them.
Right. Okay, you hide back there. I take out the bad guys. You make a break when it's clear.
Sounds like a plan. Good to see you, Pete.
Yeah, you too. Not exactly how I pictured us meeting again, though.
Funny.
And please don't
Exactly
say my name
how
out
I
loud.
pictured it.
Did she change her perfume?
All right.
Focus, Pete, focus.
Oh, come on, Peter. Stop being a perv.
Of course.
Should clear these guys out before I push forward.
Let's see. Yeah, I want to drop, but I want to drop onto
Okay, Pete.
this.
I'm hidden near the front.
Yeah,
Give
here
the
we
word
go.
and I'll make a break for it.
Will do. How
Rockin'
about
and
that
rollin'.
file? What's in it that these guys want so bad?
Notes on something called Devil's Breath. Fisk was hired to build a secret research lab for it. Not clear what Devil's Breath is.
Didn't mean to do that. That was close. Alright, how's this guy doing? We can get him.
Gotta stay silent.
Before he makes a stink about his friend being knocked out.
There we go.
Okay, that's everyone in this room. Let's cause a little distraction.
Keep it tight, Pete.
And you're dead. Let's do the same thing to this, I guess.
Easy does it.
Get him.
Okay, room is clear.
All right.
Man, Fisk had a lot of stuff.
Let's see, how are we gonna do this? Maybe that. Oh, can I go up?
One
Yes,
room at a
okay,
time.
Good.
Clear this out before I continue.
So good. Didn't mean to do that.
That's all of them.
Let me go!
MJ,
Stop!
no. Hide! Not cool with the hostage taking, guys.
Some good old hostage
What is up with
taking.
that glowy stuff on your hand?
Not
You guys
cool.
ghosts? Never fought a ghost before.
Oh, I died. This is probably where the game's gonna start getting tough.
Not cool with the hostage taking, guys.
Really gotta work on my
Whoa! What is up
air
with that glowy
combat.
stuff on your hands? Are you guys ghosts? Never fought a ghost before. I mean, I've fought specters, but, you know, technically specters aren't ghosts. All ghosts are specters, but not all specters are ghosts. You know what I mean?
Spider-Man. Focus.
Seems like this is an energy thing, not a ghost thing. All good. Fight a ghost stays on the old bucket list, huh?
Oh man. He's got a glowy weapon. What am I supposed to do with that? Ooh, a finisher, how about? Yeah. The dudes with weapons suck. You just don't ever want to deal with the weapon guys. I mean, you guys have seen the rocket launchers already. This guy's got a gun. I think you can also... Yeah, you can disarm him too.
Was it working?
Alright.
Huh. Looks antique. I think I know someone who could help track down where this came from. A job for later.
I just talked to Craig. You are not the reporter he was sending. You don't even work for Heritage Arts.
Never said I did. Hi, Mary Jane Watson, Daily Bugle.
You will not write a word of what you saw
For the
here.
record, what do you know about the file those masked men stole?
That... I don't...
What about the long history of stolen goods Fisk has laundered at this auction house?
Your editor will be hearing from our attorney.
Mix? Like the last 6 months never happened?
Since when did Mix become Italian?
No idea, but I'm still glad he makes these fries.
Totally. Best in the city.
So, how's the grind at the Bugle?
Well, I just got an all-caps text from Robbie about my so-called antics tonight. So it looks like I'll be meeting with a legal team. Again.
As soon as he reads the article you're gonna write, guaranteed promotion.
So, creepy mask guys. What's your take?
Just another night in the city. What's your take?
I feel like there's a bigger story there. Let's not make this all about business. How's it going with you? Did you get that promotion?
No, but we're on the cusp of something really big.
You know Oscorp would hire you in a heartbeat, right? One phone call to Harry.
Sure, but Dr. Octavius's work will help millions. I'm right where I want to be, right where I should be.
Almost sounds like it's more important than your other job. I've never heard you talk like that before.
A lot can change in 6 months.
Why did you ask me here, Pete?
You know, just dinner between friends.
Friends. Is that what we are?
Maybe we could be, you know, if that's what you wanted.
There's a lot of baggage here.
Yeah, sure, but is that so bad? I mean, baggage can carry good things too, like money and keys, raspberry lip balm.
Do you remember why we broke up?
This is a trick question, isn't it?
Saved by the siren.
Talk to you later.
Go.
He forgot to pay, didn't he?
Love seeing you two together again. You always were my favorites.
All right. That's gonna do it for that one. We snuck around. We did some stealth. That is a huge part of this game. We'll be doing some more stealth missions later on, and they're pretty tense. And I don't know if the difficulty really affects the stealth parts, but we'll see. I'm excited to see you guys in the next episode. Goodbye.